Hello, welcome to the first lecture for Technical English for Engineers. This is your introduction. I am your faculty here, Aisha Iqbal Vishamohan. I work in the Department of Humanities and Social Sciences. So, this course is a 20-hour course where you will learn the 4 skills of LSRW. LSRW, that is listening, speaking, reading and writing, along with plenty of grammar and vocabulary. As the title of the course suggests, this is a course essentially meant for those studying or working in the area of science and technology. Let me again reiterate here, this is an undergraduate course. So, it is not really meant for those who are pursuing, let us say, PhDs in English. This is not a theoretical course. The course gives you sort of an entry point into learning the nuances of communication. Let me also tell you, this is not a soft skills course. The course is exactly what it appears here. It is going to focus on the 4 communicative skills, and the course is basically geared towards improving the communicative skills of those working and studying in the area of science and technology. Having said that, those who want to improve their overall communication skills may also find it useful. I am sure people who are not necessarily teaching or working in the area of science and technology in those kinds of domains, they may also find it useful, because the course will definitely tell you something about the essentials of the skills along with grammar, what are the common pitfalls, areas of pitfalls, and also plenty of vocabulary. If those of you who are watching this lecture, if you are interested in this kind of area, and if you are interested in this domain, then the course is definitely meant for you. Let me give you a very brief overview of the course contents. Now, the course contents include listening, that is your L. Now, you will be given plenty of listening exercises. Listening exercises include description of people, anecdotes, short stories and processes. You will be exposed to listening for gist, listening for details and inferring meaning from context. It is important that while listening to the text that I will be reading out, and most of these texts, please note, would be in the area of science and technology. Even the short stories that I am going to discuss or do as part of your activities, they too are based on science and technology. Okay, so this is what the course is all about. So, please make no mistakes about the content of the course. And I would suggest that while listening, it is important that you make notes and also listen for keywords. Now, this is a short term course, 20 hours only. So, I may not be able to repeat it, that make notes, listen for the key words. So, remember, this is not just an introductory class for you. Okay, please take it as some of the useful tips that are going to be of great advantage, great benefit as you do the exercises. Okay. remember always to make notes, take down notes and certain keywords while listening to exercises and passages. Now moving on to speaking, you will be given tips on making formal presentations. Of course, this being an online course, I cannot actually make you practice speaking, okay, but I will always give you certain topics that you can discuss between friends. If you are doing this course along with a group of students, a group of friends, please sit with them and discuss and practice your speaking. I will always give you some relevant topics. So, you will be given tips on making formal presentations. Also, you will be given tips on correct pronunciation, including elements of stress, rhythm, pace and the importance of pause. We will also include some information about group discussion that will come at a slightly later stage. We will be having plenty of reading. We know that as technologists, as scientists, you need to read various kinds of texts, compositions, books, etc. So, it is very important that you familiarize yourself with a wide range of reading texts and you know how to read and how to look for information. Reading will include the skills of skimming. These are the sub skills of reading. So, skimming, scanning, predicting, and I am going to tell you and work on these things in detail as we go deep into the course. Right now, please make a note what are the things we are going to do. We will be doing skimming, scanning, predicting, identifying keywords and main ideas, making inferences, also note taking, etc. So, all those are part of your reading skills. Reading passages themselves are designed to develop these skills and are adapted from various authentic sources. I will always give the link, the source from where I have taken a particular passage. These are all authentic sources. Coming to this major skill, writing, we will be starting with definitions. Definitions of what? Scientific concepts. Concept that you may need on a day-to-day basis. Okay, we will be talking about describing processes, describing experiments. We will start with short paragraphs. We will move on to longer essays. We will also talk about informal as well as formal letters, emails, and very importantly, there will be discussion on report writing. At some stage, we will also talk about writing a statement of purpose, that is your SOP, and also your resume or curriculum vitae, that is your CV. Some attention will also be given to writing business letters. Writing always involves efficient use of connectors and adequate cohesive devices. This course will give immense attention to that aspect as well. Coming to grammar, so the course covers the essentials of grammar, including verb, tenses, particularly simple past, simple present and present perfect. Also voice, active and passive, articles, prepositions, clauses, types of sentences including simple, compound and complex sentences. There is some attention paid to nouns and noun phrases. That is because I am aware that it is a very basic kind of a lecture. However, it is essential for building up the rest of the classes. So, it is the rest of the lectures. So, please observe or please watch that lecture very carefully. It is important that you know the distinction between various parts of speech. So, therefore, it is important that some attention is paid to noun. We will also do a little bit of comparatives. It is a short lecture on comparatives, that is comparing the degrees of certain words. There is going to be plenty of exercises involving vocabulary. Vocabulary activities will develop your word power through a variety of interesting tasks as well as interesting activities and passages. We will include word formation using suffixes and prefixes. We will do changing the category of a particular word. For example, changing the class from noun to adjective and verb and vice versa. So, these are the things that you require in good writing. We will do phrasal verbs as well as collocations and some amount of idioms, but not too much of it. Idioms and proverbs are not really a part of what we are striving to achieve here. So, but however, once you develop interest in improving your English, once you develop an interest in learning more about vocabulary, I am sure you will do a lot of reading and practice lot of exercises that will also familiarize you with proverbs and idioms of the English language. There will be some discussion on developing dictionary skills. I will be referring to Oxford Advanced Learners Dictionary. It is an immensely useful tool for all those who are interested in developing their vocabulary and grammar. Also, I would suggest that you look at another very essential dictionary, that is Cambridge Advanced Learners Dictionary. So, Oxford ALD and Cambridge ALD. Here is Oxford Advanced Learners Dictionary, and this is another book. Please take a look at it. Advanced Grammar in Use. So, what is this book? Advanced English Grammar is Martin Ewing's book, which is intended for advanced students of English, that is for people like you. It is a very useful resource for people who want to do self learning. So, it is basically written as a self study book with plenty of explanations, plenty of exercises and answers given at the back, at the end of the book. This book can also be used in classroom situations along with other students with the help of your teacher. The book is extremely accessible. It has a wide range of topics and activities. Here is another book, very useful book, please take a look. Essential Grammars in Use by Raymond Murphy. You can always supplement the first book with this one. Here is the title of a book that may help you in learning spoken English, Better Spoken English. Better Spoken English is a very practical document. It demonstrates how to improve the spoken English of Indian students. It gives an in-depth understanding about the rate of speech, rhythm, stress, intonation, etc. The core philosophy here is to make non-native speakers more intelligible and understandable. So, you will learn when we use the right stress and intonation on words and in also while speaking in sentences and paragraphs, we make ourselves more intelligible to the listeners. So, that is the purpose of Better Spoken English. Again, look at this book, Better English Pronunciation by J.D. Connor. Book provides a thorough introduction to the pronunciation of English to help intermediate and more advanced students to improve pronunciation. It has lots of things such as phonetic symbols, etc. Some of you who have already done a little bit of phonetics and you understand the symbols, you will enjoy the book immensely. Here is a book which is a textbook, essentially English for Technical Communication, and this book contains materials basically to meet the needs of undergraduate students of technical institutes. It comes along with a CD for developing your listening comprehension. There are plenty of web resources also. As we move deeper into the course, as we go deeper into the course, I will be giving you some very essential web resources also periodically. So, it would do you well, it would serve you well if you please keep looking at this. See, remember, the entire purpose of the course is to make you more interested in developing your communication skills. Please remember that this course aspires to give you an entry point. It also aspires to give you an overview of certain skills, how to develop certain skills. However, it's you who should be able to help yourself in the longer run. So, coming to the evaluation part of the course, there will be assignments. We will be uploading assignments periodically based on the week's lectures. Every week you may expect 2.5 to 3 hours of lectures, and after that there will be assignments. If not immediately, then maybe at a later stage based on those particular weeks. So, the aim is to test you on practically every module of this course, and finally we will have an end semester exam. Essentially you can expect MCQ types of questions. So, there will not be essay type questions there. So, thank you very much. I hope you enjoy the course and you learn a lot from the course.